But you see just here this card that's written on here?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just show you something with this card. This is the magic card. I'm just gonna shuffle the deck, okay?
You can't live normally anymore, bro.
I'm just gonna shuffle, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll split.
Going to.
I'll put it on there. The deck's all shuffled, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Just tell me when to stop again.
Stop.
You sure you want to stop there?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay. So you stopped here, right?
Yeah.
And I shuffled the deck and you could have stopped anywhere.
Yeah.
But I wanted you to stop here. Do you know why? Because the card that you stopped on is the Ace of Spades.
Nah, you're fucking with me. Wow. Well, get me a gun and let me shoot my head off. Wow.
Hey, you want to see some magic?
Yeah, why not? Wait, let me pause my music.
Let me just shuffle the deck.
Yeah, okay.
So, fully shuffled deck.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I just want you to tell me when to stop, and we're going to stop on a card. So,
Stop.
you want to stop here?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you stopped on the 2.
Okay.
Now, all I want to do is I want to lose your 2 in the deck, but I want you to remember it, all right? And I'm going to see if I'm going to try and get you to find it.
No, me to find it.
Yeah, I'm going to try and see if you can find it. Okay.
Okay.
So we're just going to do a couple of overhand shuffles. Then we'll do a couple of splits. I'm just going to really lose it in a deck for you so you don't have any idea where it is. And then we'll do a bit of a full shuffle. Okay.
Okay.
So you've got no idea where your card is, right?
No.
Okay, and neither have I. So let's just see if you can stop on it. I mean, this would be really impressive if you stop on it.
Yeah, okay. So I need to say stop, yeah?
Yeah.
Stop.
You want the one in my left hand or the one in my right hand?
On your left hand.
On the left hand. So you want this one, right?
Yep.
Okay. So, what was your card again?
It was 2 of like the.
Oh, these spades.
Yeah, the spades.
Yeah. So it's not this one. I mean, we were asking for quite a lot there. It was hard. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So usually as a magician, what you can do is you can just wave your hand across.
And it was on top, yeah.
And the card just appears, but
it's not.
Oh, okay. So not this time. But I mean, let's see if I can do something different. All right. So we'll just try and find your card, and I'll try and make something different for you. So. Your card was the 2
of spades, not that
Oh,
one, the other. Please don't tell me it's not in the deck.
2 of hearts there. Your card's not there, so I mean that's a little bit crazy. I mean,
what now?
I mean, that explains why when I did this, it didn't come to the top because it weren't there. But this deck's been on the screen the whole time, right?
Yeah.
And my hands have been on the screen the whole time. So you could argue that it could be in the box, but
no, it's not in the box.
It's not in the box. I mean,
Is it in the other deck on the top?
this one here.
Yeah.
No.
No. Fuck.
Well, this has happened to me before, okay? And I mean, the only place that it turns up is here.
Nice one. How?
I mean, magic. That's sometimes I don't even know how it happens.
How?
You want
playing poker.
to see some magic?
Yeah, sure, bro.
Yeah. Let me just mix this deck up.
Alright then.
I just want you to tell me when to stop, all right?
Okay. Stop.
You want to stop here?
Yeah.
Okay. So you stopped here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to mix your card into the deck in a sec, all right?
Okay, okay.
So just mix that in there. Now I just want to see if you can get your card, all right?
Hmm.
So
There.
here,
Not. Yeah, yeah, that one.
this one
Yeah,
here.
that one. Yeah.
Okay. So let's just have a look. The jack.
Nah, that's not my card.
Not your card, but you see, the thing with this is, I
Hmm.
knew you were going to stop on this card.
Ain't no way. How? Fuck yeah, brother. Oh my fucking god. I'm not high though. What the actual hell? You just messed up my mind, brother. Not gonna lie. Damn.
But
Okay.
let's get rid of this card. We'll put it back to the bottom, all right?
I then.
So we'll keep that card away there. And then all I want to do is, you see,
What the hell?
your
I'm
card.
still shocked. I'm still shocked.
So, I mean,
yeah.
we'll see if your card's on the top, all right? Because sometimes what people say is, oh, my card's on the top. You've kept it on the top. And of course it is.
The fuck?
But watch. Let me just get the magic marker, all right?
I thought I might be going crazy, Papa. On my life.
So, you see this here?
Yeah, that's a Sharpie.
Yeah, it looks like a Sharpie, but what we call this is like, we call it a magic marker.
Alright,
Okay.
then.
And the reason being is, if you get hold of it and you just pull it down a card, card changes.
Damn. That was like 8, brother. What the
I
fuck?
don't fucking know what to say, bro. I'm fucking getting impressed.
I'm going to shuffle this deck, all right?
The fuck are they blue?
Yeah, it's blue.
Where- They were red.
It was. I told you I'll change them back to blue.
What? You could have just took another card.
What?
You could have just also taken another stack of cards.
So, yeah, I could have. Let me just shuffle these, all right?
Yeah, sure.
So I'm just gonna shuffle them.
Ace! Bro, tell me, my friend, my brother. Here. How?
Let me just show you it's all shuffled again. Yeah?
Yeah. Where the fuck is
Okay. So you just see me shuffle the cards.
Yes, I did.
Do you know what card is the value of 1?
What?
You know what card is the value of the number 1?
No, I don't.
It's an ace.
Oh yeah. Okay, okay. No. I
Okay.
understand.
Now let me just show you something. You see this number?
Yeah.
If I wave it on top of the cards like this, even though I just shuffled them, somehow something happens and it's crazy. What's the first number?
6.
And the second one?
4.
And the next one?
A 1.
So it's an ace, right?
Yeah.
The next one?
It's a 2.
Next?
1. An ace.
Next?
What the? 7.
And the last one?
I think I got diabetes now.
I think I'm insecure right now.
I tell you what, I've never done any magic for a rabbit before. This is crazy.